right? I noticed that most of business also doing painting for the 3D parts. So they have the challenging how to calculate and quote right price for the painting for that part. So here I'm going to solve your headache. So come to in consumable. Down here you can see I have pre-added 4 paints type. One is acrylic, spray primer, clear coat varnish, and enamel paint. So over here you can see I have put standard values, but you can edit those also. Like just click over here, but now we have a section called the post-processing beta. This is new feature for the paint job. It's worked like a charm. If you know the secret formula, so where you can find first of all, so just go back, come down here, include the painting, just click on this enable paint. So this is where the paint job will be going to work. So back to the settings, consumable here. So you can see the values. I have put 2 types of values here. The one is a material cost, then second is in the description, that is a usage rate. Before you enter anything, you have to understand what these values represent. Like you type spray primer of $0.08 per ml. So this is the material cost per ml. Then the crucial part is the usage rate. So usage rate basically the system is telling you, hey, this paint costs 8 cents an ml and I am roughly using 0.03 ml per every square centimeter for this model. So it takes the surface area of your 3MF file. So this is one of the good things. You don't have to calculate your surface area. You have to just upload your 3MF file and it will automatically calculate the surface area, and in the formula it will calculate for the paint how much it will going to consume, and it calculates the exact cost of the paint for that specific model. And I'm curious though, how many actually measures your paint usage also, or do you just charge flat fee? So let me know in the comment, because I used to just charge $5 and hope for the best. So we will going to see in more details, but this is the values which you have to enter here in detail. You have to enter the usage same way what I have mentioned. If you change it, it will not going to calculate it. So just keep this format and just change the value only.